Here you have it, freestyle. Simple and delicious. Our Mother's Day dinner is now completed and we're talking about some curry shrimp in coconut milk. Served with some white rice. On the side we have some fry fish. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful. Now to all the mothers out there again, happy Mother's Day to you guys.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Who would I be without my mama? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Today we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some curry shrimp in coconut milk. But it's Mother's Day and I would have to cook something that is one of my mom's favorite. My mom is a lover of fried fish, so to go with the curry shrimp, I'm going to also cook some fried fish. So before we get into it, guys, we'll just check out the intro, then we'll just get into the matter of things. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Art of love from the Freestyle Nation. Kaboom!
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So here you have it, freestyle. As mentioned before, it's all about some curry shrimp in coconut milk along with some fried fish. Over here I have some fish and right here are the recipe, guys, for this delicious Mother's Day dish. And freestyle, I must tell you guys, I woke up this morning in a slumber mood. As you know, the first lady is no longer here with us and it's Mother's Day, so you know the vibes there where all of the memories them a flashback and it's just painful, but nevertheless she don't like when I'm sad, so I'm just gonna be strong, firm up and strong up and just hold the vibes in the kitchen. So right here, guys, are the recipe for my curry shrimp. Right here I have some better pack curry. We have some bell pepper, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, and that's about it. We have our coconut milk over there, and the spices I'll be using, guys, I'll be using Maggi fish season, Maggi all-purpose season, some Old Bay, some black pepper, and then we're just going to season up the thing and we're just going to keep the thing going in a very cheerful manner, because I know some mommy Babsy don't like when our kids them sad. So we're just going to put the sadness apart and we're just going to cook up this Mother's Day dish the Hooray Freestyle way. In the meantime, guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't had subscribers yet, just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. You know the vibes. Mother's Day special curry shrimp in coconut milk along with some fried fish. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Now freestyle, it's time for us to go ahead and start the seasoning process of our shrimp, as we're doing curry shrimp as mentioned before. Right here, guys, I have some Old Bay season. So I will start by sprinkling a small amount of Old Bay season. Right here, freestyle, we have some Maggi fish season. Also going to sprinkle some Maggi fish season. After sprinkling our Maggi fish season, we're going to add a small amount of black pepper. Black pepper. Right here, freestyle, we have some all-purpose season. As you know, we love when the thing them well seasoned up and full of taste and full of flavor. So there you have it. I will also go ahead freestyle and we're going to add some curry. Add some curry. Then after adding our curry, freestyle nation, we're going to mix our season together. Now freestyle, I've gone ahead and add all our spices to our shrimp. Now it's time for us to prep our natural season. So freestyle, right here are our natural season. I will go ahead and cut my onions. And as I'm an onion freestyle, I love to cut my onions in rings, and I'm using the purple onion. As you know, freestyle love when the pot is colorful, especially on a day like this, Mother's Day, where we love to cook with color, because love is colorful. So we love when the pot full of color. So all about a colorful pot today. So right here, guys, I have some bell pepper. Cutting up my bell pepper. So I was gonna cook some shrimp and white rice, and then I'd be like, I've never seen my mother cook shrimp before. My mom was a lover of fish, so I had us to go to the store and get some fish. Now this fish I'm cooking is in memory of my mommy. She loves fried fish. My mom would buy the fish and just fry them and just have them on the table. When we're hungry, we can just take up a one fish and eat a one fish. That's how she used to do it. So it's all about the memories, the flashback of my late mom on Mother's Day. So season now is being prepped. Freestyle Nation, our natural season is now prepped, and it's now time for us to add our natural season to our shrimp. Here are our natural season, guys, nice and colorful, just the way we like it. And over here is my shrimp. Now we're going to go ahead and put the natural season to our shrimp, rub them in the right and proper way, leave it there to sit there and marinate for probably like about 15 minutes to half an hour. Then we will start the cooking process. So freestyle, our natural season is now prepped and ready just the way we like it, nice and colorful. So here you have it. After adding my natural season freestyle, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna massage everything together with the shrimp. Remember, we're doing curry shrimp in coconut milk, Mother's Day special, along with some fried fish, the Orate freestyle way. So here you have it. Our curry shrimp is now completely seasoned. Freestyle, our snapper fish is now completely seasoned. And as for the seasoning of my fish, guys, I just use some Maggi fish season, some salt, some black pepper, a little bit of Old Bay season. Over here, guys, is my curry shrimp, as you can see for yourself, nice and colorful. Now freestyle, I'm gonna leave them to sit there and marinate for probably like about half hour to 45 minutes. Then we're gonna start the cooking process. It's all about the Mother's Day special, curry shrimp in coconut milk and fry fish. And to go with this, guys, I probably do some white rice or probably some mashed potato. I'm not sure yet, but just stay tuned for that freestyle. You know the vibe. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms out there. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Continue to be that amazing mom you are. You know the vibes. Freestyle. So freestyle, it's now time for us to go ahead and start the cooking of our curry shrimp. And as always, guys, we always make sure we burn some of the curry before we actually start the cooking process of whatever we're cooking at this curry. Alright, so right here is the pot with my curry, and it's now time for me to put my shrimp in. Now that my shrimp is now in freestyle, I'm now going to cover the pot, and we're going to allow our shrimp to stay there and cook nice and slow at mid flame. So freestyle, remember we're doing curry shrimp in coconut milk. So it's now time for us to go ahead and add our coconut milk. So freestyle, I will go ahead and add my coconut milk. While I add the coconut milk, I will stir. And as you can see for yourself, freestyle, nice and lovely, nice and delicious. Now freestyle, I'm going to cover the pot, and now we're going to allow our curry shrimp in coconut milk to simmer down the right and proper way. Then probably like in about 5 minutes time it should be completed. So freestyle, here you have it. While our curry shrimp in coconut milk are going to simmer down nice and easy, over here is my second pot. It's now time for me to go ahead and start the frying of the fish. So stay tuned, freestyle. In the meantime guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit that subscription button, join the freestyle move. While also we're frying up the fish, I'm going to go ahead and drop a piece of scotch bonnet pepper in the oil, as you want to give the oil that nice kind of spicy flavor. Freestyle, by now my oil is now completely hot, and guys, the techniques about frying fish, you want to make sure that your oil is well hot. If your oil is not well hot, this fish is going to mash out in the pot. You don't want that, alright? So in the meantime, our fry fish is coming along nice and lovely, as you can see for yourself guys. Nice and golden, nice and colorful. Freestyle, by now these fish should completely fry. I will now go ahead and take out these. These are some nice snapper guys, nice size, nice and golden, nice and colorful. Here you have it, freestyle. Simple and delicious. Our Mother's Day dinner is now completed, and we're talking about some curry shrimp in coconut milk. Served with some white rice. On the side we have some fry fish. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful. Now to all the mothers out there, again, happy Mother's Day to you guys. I trust that you will enjoy the day to the fullest and continue to be that great, amazing mom that you are. Now freestyle, I'm about to dish out this wonderful food, this delicious food, and I shall have a feast. So you know the vibes, freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit that subscription button, join the freestyle movement. You know the vibes. Have it, freestyle. Dinner is now served, and we're talking about curry shrimp in coconut milk, served with white rice, fry fish. Guys, it's just a vibes. Nice and delicious, nice and tasty. Freestyle on Mother's Day. I just keep it simple and easy, and it's just the vibes. Until next time, freestyle. Catch you in the next one. Freestyle. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you have a fantastic one. You know the vibes. remember, like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, the subscription button. Enjoy the movement. Freestyle.